Hello guys, and in this quick tutorial video, I'll show you how to catch a fish in the Fisch mobile. So the first step is to find a quiet place where you can do fishing. Then tap on the first option, that is fishing rod. And then once you have selected that, just tap anywhere on the screen and keep holding it until this white marker hit the green spot, which is the perfect spot to throw your fishing bait. Once thrown, all you have to do is repeatedly tap on the shake button until you catch a fish. Now this one's the hard process. This white bar will always move to the left side, but when you tap and hold on your screen, the bar will move to the right side. So all you have to do is align the white bar with the fish marker in order to successfully catch a fish. Now it sounds like an easy process, but trust me, you'll need at least 6 to 8 tries in order to understand how this works. But if you are able to catch the fish only after a couple of tries, then congratulations man, you're a real pro player. Now if you found this video helpful, do like it and subscribe.